Should you flush the toilet immediately after pouring a bleach solution in the overflow tube? No. When you pour a bleach solution into the overflow tube, you should let it sit briefly so the bleach can oxidize organic material and weaken mineral deposits before you flush. A practical approach is to pour the solution slowly, avoid splashing, and wait about 5 to 10 minutes so the chemical has time to act on unseen buildup inside jets and trap passages. During that wait, keep the room ventilated by opening a window or turning on an exhaust fan to reduce chlorine fumes. Use a diluted household bleach solution of about 1 part bleach to 10 parts water for routine cleaning, and do not mix bleach with acids or ammonia since that creates hazardous gases. If you are treating visible stains, repeat the application and waiting period once more rather than scrubbing aggressively, which can damage porcelain or finishes. After the wait, flush once to move the solution through the rim jets and trap, then flush additional times until the water runs clear to remove loosened debris. Common mistakes include flushing right away, which washes most of the bleach down the drain before it can work. So pause and let it sit for the prescribed minutes. A second common issue is using undiluted bleach, which can harm seals and varnishes over time. So always dilute and limit contact by flushing after the timed soak. Third, people often mix cleaners, which is dangerous, so never combine bleach with other household chemicals. And if you are unsure, rinse well and ventilate before adding anything else. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to plumbing and chemical cleaning. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where we share tips, troubleshooting advice, and real-world experiences.